So this is the spot we'll be going today, marked in red. It's accessible on the drive out to Cronulla. You come to a roundabout and just turn in to go to Boat Harbour Bay. Okay, it's a pretty packed day on Boat Harbour Beach. It's the end of Cronulla. I've never seen so many cars here actually. So it's completely chock-a-block full today. Right around everywhere you can see is just all cars. Even out there. So this is Boat Harbour Bay. It's quite busy today. That section of the beach down there where you see no cars is a private section of the beach. Admission fee on Sundays is $50, the rest of the week is $30, but you're better off just buying a season pass, which used to be $160 but now it's $175. That's a yearly pass that lasts till the 31st of December. And that's only 6 months for $175. And there is a surfing spot out there when it gets good. It's quite rideable, easy rideable. There's one guy out there now actually. And it's quite good diving around here. This is Voodoo Point surfing spot. And there's a diver there just about to go out in the water. It's good for kids around here as well. This bay is normally just set for kids. So this is just some drone footage of where that square indicates, just up to Cronulla Beach and back again. And there is an area there which is no fly zone, so I didn't go into that. And you can only fly about 30 meters high.